Hello, this is Tash Tyres. I've got a smart car here which came in for a service and 2 back tyres. I've just done the tyres, done the service. I'm going to show you how to reset the service light. Basically, you've got to do it through controls, but before I do that, I'm going to show you how to reset procedure basically. So I'm already on the system. This one here is between 2015 to 2019. That's the engine code right there. Now to check how much oil the car requires, if I click on this, it tells me it takes 4.3 litres. That's the grade on the right hand side right there, which tells you what oil and what specs. Now to reset it, go back onto service indicator. Now there's two settings. This is for the earlier model, I guess, and this is for the one that we're doing at the moment. And these are the instructions you need to follow. Turn the ignition onto position 1, which we'll do now. Right, we'll just show you how it's done now. Now, all you need to do, make sure everything is closed, the bonnet, the boot, the engine's on the back basically. So if you ever wanted to do the oil service on this, everything's in the back. Now if I put the keys into the ignition, put it into position 1. Now make sure that's position 1 now. That's start. I mean when you start the car up basically, that's position 2. So if I go back to position 1, now on the display right there, as you can see, it says change settings, but the procedure says it meant to display just to 0 miles. So we now do then is work with these functions right here. So if I press up, change settings, we really don't want to go into change settings, so we want to go into messages and services. All I then do is press and hold this button till the spanner light flashes for 20 seconds. There we go. AC service due was 7,700 miles ago, which is quite a lot. So now that'll reset itself. Just remember 20 seconds. Right, now next service due is in 12,500 miles. That's all you need to do on this one now. So if there is anything else you need to know, please do let me know and we'll try helping you as much as we can. And that's it. The next video for this one will be with regards to tire pressure. I will show you how to reset it. It'll be in the next video. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe to our channel and like the video. Goodbye.